Good afternoon, this is John from Two Doves Bees and Gardens. This week's Fig of the Week is the Sister Madeline's Green Greek. The story of Sister Madeline's Green Greek begins far from Arkansas, in the rocky hills and sunlit orchards of Greece. Like many heirloom figs, it didn't arrive in America through a nursery or a breeding program, but through the hands of a family who carried it with them when they immigrated. This fig was brought across the ocean as a living memory of a home, a small cutting wrapped in hope and tradition. They planted it in Little Rock, where it grew for decades, quietly producing fruit and anchoring the family to their heritage. Years later, the property changed hands, and the original tree faced destruction. But this is where the story takes a turn. Before the tree could be lost, a nun named Sister Theda stepped in. She understood the value of a fig like this, not just as a plant, but as a piece of someone's history, and she took cuttings from the old Greek tree, preserving it just in time. About 20 years ago, one of those cuttings found its way to Sister Madeline at St. Scholastica Monastery in Fort Smith, Arkansas. She planted it directly into the ground, the simple old world way she had learned. That little cutting took hold, grew strong, and eventually became a large, vigorous fig tree, the mother plant for every Sister Madeline's Green Greek fig grown today. The monastery simply called it the Greek fig, but as collectors began to share it, the name evolved to honor both its heritage and the woman who protected it. Sister Madeline's Green Greek. The fruit itself is classic Adriatic, light green skinned, deep red pulp, and a bright strawberry jam flavor that stands out even among premium berry profile figs. It's productive, reliable, and surprisingly well adapted to warm climates, like ours here in North Texas. But what makes this fig truly special isn't just the flavor. It's the story. A fig carried across an ocean, rescued from a disappearing backyard, and preserved by two women who understood the quiet importance of keeping living history alive. When you grow Sister Madeline's Green Greek, you're not just growing a fig, you're carrying forward a story, one rooted in family, faith, and the simple belief that some things are worth saving. If you're interested in more stories like this, be sure to check us out on twodoves.com and feel free to sign up for our newsletter, the Two Doves Insider, and we'll catch you again soon.